Welcome to the Boy Official channel. Once again, if you're new to this channel, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment or the description below. Leave a comment on this comment section. Here is another new site for mining cryptocurrency for free. All you have to do is set up a new account. You can mine all kinds of cryptocurrency here. As you can see, here are the last withdrawals. Here are the last withdrawals made by some miners. To get started, you have to sign up a new account. As you can see, your username, your password, and that is all. So I have an account here, so I'm gonna log in and show you how this works. Click on login. As you can see, here is my profile. To start mining, you have to click on this three bar here. See, I'm currently mining. Here's my mining. Start mining. You go straight to our mining bar here. When you click on it, then it will take you to this dashboard over here. To this end, as you can see, I'm currently mining over here. You can also mine here and here as well. You click on it, it takes you here, and as you can see, I'm currently mining. You can also mine as well here. As you can see, I'm mining Redbooks XRP. So to get started, use the link at the description below to get started. Thank you once again. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.